Hi guys, so Musa Khawula posted this video on X saying that a look at Minnie Dlamini fighting with the fan for taking a picture of her. So here's the video and then we're gonna go through the comments.
Who's fighting? Dlamini and Red Dye.
Let's take a video.
Yo guys, Minnie Dlamini looks so angry. Utilona, it's rude to take a picture of someone unaware, to be honest. Why not walk up to them and ask for a picture? Yane. There is more to this and it's not about a picture. Kungani ke awusixoxile we Angel cause it's in asas. I really wonder. This one says, guys, if you are well known and not in the mood of taking pictures, stay home. You lose freedom of being once you step into media, unfortunately. Hey guys, unzima by superstar. Angihaleli nje inhlobo cause wow, awuna peace, awuna freedom. Uthi ushona ngala bathi bacela isithombe. Woo, kuningi. Utilo, ever since the divorce, former becoming Mrs. Ntontoni has been trending for all the wrong reasons. Meanwhile, her goalkeeper ex is happily married, living his best life, and clearly won the upgrade. Hey guys, abantu bakuthi baku ex bandla hayi abakhulumi kamnandi. Someone else is taking a video. Yes, show us your true colors when alala. There is abantu baku ex bafezi. Uthi lona the fan said kunuka ifishi la. Kanti guys lento yokunuka iyophela nini because wow, we are tired now. Can she rest? Uthi lo mara ezimchita, what business do you have taking a pic with Minnie Dlamini? Hayibo. Minnie should be happy that she's still relevant enough for anyone to want to take a photo of her. Usiphelelwe ukuthi ushuthwe enganakile ilonto mhlawumbe angayithandi. Uthi lona, but as celebrities they always have people take their pics without permission in public most. She'll die in America with the paparazzi. Yo, wabobuza abo Kim Kardashian bahlezi bashuthwa abantu amapaparazzi ama ngaphandle emzini yabo efuna nje ithombe kungada. Athi lona Minnie busy shouting, uyangazi habe, who doesn't know you? And ake ugazi umuntu ongamazi Minnie Dlamini usuke nje eqamba manga. Let's ngicabanga ukuthi mhlawumbe ngoba she was angry and maybe she's kind of drunk a little bit. I don't know. Allegedly. Those guys from Podcast and Chill shouldn't see this video. Hey, ukhuluba ngabo Meg Gina ke lo. Ayi bandla. Most men no longer take her serious. Life gets lonely as time goes on, and she had to take it out on a poor fan while she's drunk. But she does look a little bit drunk. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on my next video. Minnie, behave.